What's up, gearheads? So I'm going to do a quick video for you on an adjustment of the front bumper lip. I've been having some rubbing issues here with the hood, and essentially it's kind of starting to take the paint off here. So we need to adjust this and we need to push this back. This is a super quick process here, but you're going to need to undo that nut right there, and then you go to the driver's side. There's one right there. That's going to allow you to adjust this up and down here. Just loosen it up, don't remove it. Let me show you what's wrong with the hood. So on the outside here, I've got essentially these edges sticking out past the hood, and I need to bring them back. By them sticking out, when I was opening the hood, it was rubbing on this lip. So we need to adjust that straight back. Let me show you how. Alright, so starting with the passenger side over here, your issue may be a little different from mine. Again, mine comes out too far. Yours may need to go back in or adjust it forward and back, depending on how yours is misaligned. But go ahead and take this, and we're going to just go full blow in. We're going to push that in, and we're going to tighten that up. And we're going to start here and see where we need to go from here. Alright, and then on the driver's side, same thing. Tighten that up. We're going to push it in. Alright, there we go. So that's pushed in as far as it'll go. It's tightened down. Let's check the fitment. Alright, gearhead, so we're back on the passenger side, the one we were specifically working on. And you can see now that it's completely smooth. Now, this car is notorious for misaligned body parts, so this is going to be the best procedure to outline and fix your panels here so that they're flush. What happens is when this gets out of alignment, it's going to rub, it's going to chip your paint on your hood and your bumper. Let me know if you got any questions.